Well, howdy there pluggers, Iversorfing here again with you. Thanks very much for joining me for another guitar lesson. This is a classic number from the Eagles called Tequila Sunrise, okay? This has been requested by several people, okay, so pleasure to do this great number. I'm in standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and I'm playing it in the key of G, which is the same as the Eagles recorded version, and usually they play it live in G as well, as far as I know, so you shouldn't have any problem playing along with their recordings, okay? I'm going to break this down into sections to try and make it a bit easier for you. I'm going to do the intro to start with, okay? So the intro, the way I play it is like this, okay? So on, verse comes in there, okay? So basically what I'm doing on the G chord is hammering on, whilst I'm strumming, onto the second fret of the fourth string. Okay. Now you can do it like that shape, G, or you can do it in a conventional shape, G. Take your first finger off the second fret of the fifth string and hammer onto the second fret of the fourth string. But I'm doing it this way, it's just the way I prefer to do it, okay? So you do that 4 times, okay? So A minor, D, to the G, and at that point I slide up the second fret of the fourth string up to the fourth fret of the fourth string whilst I'm strumming, and then back down to the second fret of the fourth string. Okay, so it's I'm basically playing the higher parts of the strings down from 4 down to the first, okay? So okay, so we've got that. So once more, for a good measure, this is the intro, okay? It's another, okay, so then the verse comes in, G. It's another tequila sunrise, D. Staring slowly across the A minor skies, D. Say goodbye. Right, now what you can do on this, you can just play the G. It's another tequila sunrise to the D. But if you want to get closer to the original, it's quite nice to do that hammering on the G, okay? It's another tequila sunrise. Okay, you got that? So, same as you did in the intro. It's another tequila sunrise. A minor, G hammering on, but up to the fourth fret. Back again. At the end of each sort of part of the verse, okay, and it goes into the second half of the first verse. It was just in the A minor, D, and this time you don't go up. After the end of the verse, you don't go up, or the first verse anyway, you don't go up to the fourth fret, you just stay on. And it goes into the bridge. You know, every night when the sun goes down, that bit, okay? So, we'll just go through the first verse again, okay, completely, okay? So it comes out of the intro going. It's another tequila sunrise. A minor, D. E minor. Every night when the sea goes down. E minor. Just another sea lonely boy in town. E minor. And she's out running. A minor. D. And back into the second verse, okay, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, okay. So when it comes out of the second verse, it goes into the actual solo, okay. So the second half of the verse. Oh, and it's a horrible feeling. It's never ending. And it comes into that bit, okay, that bit, and the chords behind it are exactly the same as a verse. So when someone's playing the solo, you just play the chords for a verse, okay. So we'll come back to the solo afterwards, okay, at the end of the video, okay. So after it comes out of the solo, it goes into the second bridge, okay, which is take another shot of courage, wonder why you words that never come. Da, da, da. It goes into the final verse before the finish, okay. So the second bridge, when it comes out of the solo, it goes A minor, take it to D, to B minor, to E, to A minor, to B seventh, to E minor, to A seventh, and then into another verse. A minor, D. It's a short verse on the end, and then it just goes into that bit on the. Does that about 4 times with a bit of oohs on it, and then finishes. Okay, right. So that just leaves us with the solo. Okay, so I'm going to turn the guitar around now and show you the solo. Okay. Okay, so the solo starts with a double stops. There's lots of double stops on this solo. Okay, so it starts up on the 7th fret on the first string and the 8th fret on the second string. So first shape is that. Second shape is another double stop. On first finger is on the 8th fret of the first, and second finger, this other finger, my third finger in this case, is on the 10th fret of the second. And then it goes up 2 frets to the 10th on the first, to the 12th on the second. So that's the first bit, okay. Then it goes up to the 12th on the first, to 13 on the second. So then back down to the 10th on the first and 12th on the second. So let's do that again. And down to 8 on the first, 10 on the second. Down to 7 on the first, 8 on the second. So Okay, then it goes down to 5 on the first and 7 on the second, and then it goes up 2 frets with the same shape to 7 on the first, 9 on the second, and it slides it up 1 fret to 8 on the first and 10 on the second. Okay, so I do that from the start. Okay, and then it just goes down 1 fret to the 7th on the first and 9th on the second. So just goes all the way down one by one till you get to the 5th on the first and the 7th on the second. Okay, so okay, just feed it down. Slide up from that one. Got that? Okay. Okay, so that's do from that from the start. No, sorry. And then it goes down another one, same shape. So you go down from 4 on the first and 6 on the second to the next one down, which is 3 on the first and 5 on the second. So from the beginning. Got that? And then it does like an A minor single note run through. So from the 5, it's playing A minor shape, and just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, and then hit the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so from this bit, I'll go from the start again. The next bit is okay, so open 4, hammer up to the 2nd fret on the 4th, and then hammer up to the 4th fret on the 4th string. Okay, got that? And then do the same on the 3rd string. So open 3rd, hammer onto the 2nd fret of the 3rd, and then the 4th fret of the 3rd. So from the beginning. Got that? And then open 3rd. So good. Once again, let's do it slowly together. Okay, then we have a double stop and hammer on, double stop on the 3rd fret, 1st and 2nd strings. And hammer up on the 2nd string from the 3 to the 5, and then off again. Then down to the 1st fret of the 2nd string, open 2nd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 3rd string. So, got that? So from the beginning. There's only one thing left, and that is another little bit up here. So it slides up, double stop on the 10th fret, 1st and 2nd string, and it slides up to 12 and back again. and then it does another double stop, 12 on the second, 12 on the second, and 11 on the third, and then drop it down 2 frets. So you've got 10 on the second and 9 on the third, down to another 2 frets, so you've got 8 on the second and 7 on the third. So same shape, got that, so it, and then you go into an A minor, which is the second bridge, where it goes, take another shot of courage, okay? So let's do that in its entirety, okay? So take another shot of courage. Da, 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 da. And so on. So there you have it. You have all the bits now to play this song and have fun putting it together. Alright, thank you for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a lovely song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.